Every ductless installation is custom installation. It's all tailored to your home. This allows us to solve your home comfort issues, maybe space issues, indoor air quality issues, efficiency issues. You name it, we can repair that with a ductless unit. A ductless unit can electrify a whole home. A ductless unit can pick up that extra addition that you built that your current system can't service. Ductless unit can serve to heat and cool a whole new home that's open concept, that there's no room for ducts and bulkheads and everything else, or that homeowner that is very sensitive to the temperature changes, that wants to be able to have their third floor the same temperature as their first floor, or their second floor, or their basement. Ductless, we can adjust that, and you can have every temperature in every room, whatever you want. You can solve so many issues with ductless. And oh, by the way, it's not just ductless. We can have a ducted unit. We can hide it in your attic or in your basement, and it still just registers that you're going to see. You don't have to have that unit that's sitting up on the wall. There's lots of indoor unit options that are very efficient, very comfortable, and will take care of your needs.